Yeah, welcome back, guys. So we need to learn the update underscore record set. So before that, we need to know the while statement first. We'll write the while statement for the update now. I will try to remove this. I will remove this. I will write while select star from skill set table where skill set dot gender not equal to so I need to update the gender equal to gender dot female, okay, dot update. So for this while loop I will put the TTS begin and commit outside of the loop. Why? Because I need to commit all the records once everything is updated. If I am putting inside for every record, it will search. Okay, so how many records we have now? Go to here, verify for male records 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why I am saying the male records? Here I am saying the not equal to female. Not equal to female means equal to male only, right? Or if anything other things is available, it will update those also. So not equal to this, and I kept this one, so I need to start the this need to execute this code. It's not loading. Build not completed. Database synchronization is completed. Yes, it's loading. We may get error. Yes, okay, it is expecting inside of this and select for update. Okay, I missed this one. it's completed now. Let's go and validate the data. Yeah, now everything is updated the female. Now I want to update the female to male. So what I have to do, till now we used the while select statement. Okay, now we are going to use the update underscore record set. So what I will do, update underscore record set, this table. Okay, what I will do, set, not set, setting. What is the field name I need to update? Gender here. Gender dot male where skill table dot gender equal to gender female, ends with this. Okay, this is the way we need to write. Save this one. So okay, it's expecting single equal only. Okay, so what is the expectation? Output will be all female should be convert to the male. We need to update in that way. So what I will do, I will click on the start menu, start button. We'll see how it will behave. So what will happen with the while loop, it will select the each record, it will go to the inside the loop, it will update that record, again it will go to the next record. So what update underscore record set will be do, so it will select the all the records and it will update the gender as a male at one shot only. Okay, at single step it will do. So what is the thing here is, for example, you have 1000 records with we need to update to the female to male. 1000 records means while loop will take bit time for taking the each record and updating. Okay, but update underscore record set it will do at one shot. That is the major difference between while loop update and update underscore record set. See, it's completed. Yes, it's updated, right? Okay, okay, update is completed.